Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, Vastu and Numerology expert, and I'm back today with a very informative video for all of you. The video I brought out for you today is about those objects which you must never ever keep under your pillow if you want to avoid poverty, sickness, and misfortunes in your life. But before we go on to that, let me share with you a brief about this channel. For those of you who are coming on to the first time to the channel or have not yet subscribed to the channel, The Ancients, was started by me in February 2021 to ensure that I share with all of you the best tips and principles of astrology, numerology, and Vastu to ensure that you live a life filled with good health, wealth, prosperity, success, career growth, and peace of mind. I request all of you to kindly subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they too are inspired and blessed with these astrology, numerology, and Vastu principles so that they too can live a life filled with happiness and joy. Coming back to our topic, I am sharing with you now 8 objects which you must never keep under your pillow while sleeping. First, I have seen many people take out their watch and keep it on their bed or under the pillow while they are sleeping so that they can see the time at night. This is a very dangerous habit. The sleep gets disrupted, destroys your peace of mind, and ensures tension for you. You are always under stress if you keep a watch under your pillow while sleeping. Avoid this at all costs. Second is, people have the habit of keeping water under their bed when sleeping for drinking at night. Avoid this. Keep water far away from your bed at a side stand at some distance away. Otherwise, your mood gets affected. Your mind is always filled with stress and tension. Negativity sets in, and many chronic problems occur because you kept water under your head, under your bed while sleeping. Third item is a purse or a money bag. People sometimes keep their money in a purse, sometimes they have it on a clip and they keep it under the pillow when they are sleeping. This invites financial troubles and debts on the family. Never keep a purse if you want prosperity in your life. Never ever keep the purse under your pillow. Fourth is footwear. I have seen a lot of people in the habit of wearing footwear at home and keeping it here and there. Also, many people are the habit at night when going to sleep to keep their footwear under their beds. This invites diseases, ill health, misfortunes, negativity in the home. If you want to remain healthy, never ever keep your footwear under your bed, and also avoid footwear throughout the house. Keep it neatly arranged. Do not throw your footwear here and there. Books. After reading books at night, before falling asleep, people just keep their books on the bed itself and go to sleep. This makes the mind diverted, full of stress, tension, and sleep is not like it is required. We must avoid this at all costs. Salt. By chance, if you sleep with salt under your head, you will welcome family disputes into your home, the relationship between husband and wife will get broken. If you want harmonious relationships, avoid ever keeping salt under your head. Broomstick. Though we consider the broomstick to be an incarnation of or a form of Mahalakshmi, if you keep a broomstick under your bed when you are sleeping at night, you will get financial problems, negativity, and Mahalakshmi will move away from your home. If you want prosperity, never keep a broomstick under your bed while sleeping at night. The last object is ropes and chains. I have seen people keeping ropes, chains, threads, old stuff in storage under their beds. Never keep this under your bed or even under your pillow when you are sleeping. Skipping ropes, for example, and all that which children play with, they forget and they just sleep on top of it. It brings many obstacles in life. If you want to avoid obstacles in life and you want to have a smooth life, avoid all these 8 objects which I have mentioned to you. Friends, I once again repeat, I have shared with you today 8 objects which you must never keep under your pillow when you are sleeping if you want to avoid misfortunes, poverty and diseases in your life. I request you once again to kindly subscribe to the channel, like the videos and share these with your friends and family so that they too can benefit from the essence of astrology, numerology and Vastu which I am sharing with you, so that they invite good health, wealth, prosperity, success, peace of mind, career growth and harmonious relationships with their friends and family. Before I go, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers. In a short span of 2 months, that is from February to April today, we have got over 165 subscribers on the channel. I wanted to thank all the subscribers and say that your support makes a difference. I would also request you as my subscribers to share these videos. As you are subscribers, you will be able to advise people about the benefits of this channel. Till we meet again with another amazing video, informative video on your very own channel, The Ancients. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Stay safe.